I notice here in Austin, the capital city, sort of a cloud and sun mix. I'm looking at our tower cam right now. Marcus, same thing for us, but it's the first day of hurricane season, and lo and behold, we have something deep in the, as my relatives would say, Gulf of Mexico to talk about.
Yes, that is true, and we're going to have to monitor that system closely. Right now, the models do not have that system impacting Texas or any of the United States until we get to late weekend or early next week. I'll show you that in just a moment. There are the clouds. Neil is talking about a lot more clouds back towards central Texas where West was. 84 the temperature. We have seen the Gulf moisture return, especially in deep East Texas. So it's muggy. Dew points there into the mid 60s, while the rest of us are sitting with dew points that are in the 50s. That's why 82 is not too bad. It's still warm though. In Longview, 87 in Linden, where a little bit more sunshine prevails. 80 in Crockett. You can notice the abundance of cloud cover the farther west that you go. I want to jump to FUTURECAST. We do have a rain chance in our picture for tomorrow. Does not look to be widespread, but spotty in nature. We'll go through overnight. Here are the clouds that will pick back up into tomorrow morning. So we'll begin the day with an overcast sky. Just a little bit of heating and an upper disturbance lifting through, the same one that's responsible actually for the clouds now, will help trigger some of these spotty showers and a couple of thunderstorms. Not expecting anything severe, but a brief heavy downpour can be expected. Some of us might even pick up a quick ½ an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall, but this should be lifting on through very quickly, such that by late afternoon to early evening, we should see this precipitation chance go down. So there's your temperature tracker, plus the rain chances for tomorrow. Could have some patchy drizzle in the morning. 20 to 30% chance into the afternoon, 86 for the high, and then a very slight chance late tomorrow night. I think after about 6 o'clock, the rain chance is over with. Where the rain is happening now in the tropics, well, it's in the southern Gulf, not too far from the Bay of Campeche. This is tropical depression number 3. It will become a tropical storm tomorrow, and it will pick up the name Cristobal. That will be the 3rd named storm that we have seen so far this season. 2 of those happening before today. Today starts the beginning of the Atlantic hurricane season. I want to show you how this model looks to track, or how depression number 3 will track. This is the global GFS model, and I want to point out a couple of things. Area of high pressure will form over near Florida. High pressure will build back over West Texas. That's the one that's going to lead to some hot weather for us later this week. The system itself, tropical depression 3, gets nudged farther south into the country of Mexico. But watch what happens. High pressure off to the east, high pressure over our area in the state of Texas, and notice what happens here. The flow from the Gulf will allow this system to move due north. Again, this is just a couple of models that indicate this as a possibility. This would place this system in the Gulf. Perhaps a strengthening could occur. There are a lot of question marks. There are very little periods on this right now. We do have a slight rain chance in our forecast for that system coming next Monday. There's the 7-day forecast. So what you need to know for now, we're about to heat up a lot more. We're heading to the low 90s. Some of us could get up to 93 or 94 by the latter part of this week.
Marcus, thank you.